Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about tips for buying a new vehicle. Buying a new vehicle is a big decision, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following a few tips, you can make the car buying process easier and more enjoyable. 1. Do your research. The first step is to do your research. What kind of vehicle do you need? What size vehicle do you need? How many seats do you need? What kind of fuel economy are you looking for? Once you have a good idea of what you're looking for, you can start narrowing down your choices. 2. Set a budget. It's important to set a budget before you start shopping for a vehicle. This will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. Keep in mind that the cost of the vehicle is just the beginning. You'll also need to factor in the cost of insurance, gas, and maintenance. 3. Get pre-approved for a loan. Getting pre-approved for a loan before you start shopping for a vehicle will give you an idea of how much you can afford to spend. It will also make the buying process easier, as you won't have to worry about negotiating financing at the dealership. 4. Shop around. Once you've done your research and set a budget, it's time to start shopping around. Get quotes from multiple dealerships before you make a decision. Don't be afraid to negotiate on the price. 5. Take the vehicle for a test drive. Before you buy anything, it's important to take it for a test drive. This is your chance to see how the vehicle drives and feels. Pay attention to the way the vehicle handles, the way it accelerates, and the way it brakes. Also, be sure to check all of the vehicle's features to make sure that they work properly. 6. Have the vehicle inspected by a mechanic before you buy any vehicle. It's important to have it inspected by a mechanic. This will help you identify any potential problems with the vehicle. Be sure to choose a mechanic who is experienced with the type of vehicle you're buying. 7. Get everything in writing. Once you've agreed on a price with the seller, be sure to get everything in writing. This includes the purchase price, the terms of the sale, and any warranties that the seller is offering. Additional tips: consider buying at the end of the month or year. Dealerships are more likely to offer discounts at these times to meet their sales goals. Don't be afraid to walk away from a deal. There are plenty of vehicles out there, so don't feel pressured to buy the first vehicle you see. Conclusion: buying a new vehicle can be a big decision, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following the tips above, you can make the car buying process easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you buy the best vehicle for your needs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Bonus tip: bring a friend or family member with you when you go to the dealership. They can help you assess the vehicle and give you a second opinion.